everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel XAT Turning Problems into Solutions. This is me Priyasha, and today I'm up with an admit card update. Now I did not think of really coming up with this video because this time you should more focus on your preparation than any other strategy as such, but this admit card update is really important. The reason behind that is there is a pattern change. So the exam pattern has been changed for XAT 2022. And what is the change in the pattern? I'll keep the video short and just let you know the exact change. The exact change is after so many years, the essay is back in XAT now. So for the past few years, the essay was not a part of this exam, but now this year, XAT 2022, the essay is also a part of this exam. Now, the reason why I've mentioned it in my thumbnail, that the things which are not mentioned in the admit card, see, you would find it that there is nowhere mentioned in the admit card that you are going to have a pattern change. If you visit the website and check for the other details, you would find this update change. Moreover, the first thing which really made me look for this change was the time duration change. The timings are now from 9:30 and goes up to 12:40. So that was the real reason I tried to figure out why exactly are we given 10 minutes more. Like, is it a good blessing or something, or really something other? And when I checked it out, I found it that now the essays are also a part of your exam. So the basic exam is going to be divided into two parts. Let me just describe it a little more in detail. The first part is going to have the same VSLR section with the same number of questions, 26. The decision making section, same 21 questions, and the QA and DI section, which will be having 28 questions. Same. Pattern one, like part one, exactly same. The time for part one is also 165 minutes, exactly same of what was given earlier. But this time, like earlier, what used to happen is that we used to get 15 minutes to answer the GK questions. But this time they have given us 25 minutes, and in this 25 minutes, we'll have to solve the GK questions also, and we'll have to solve this really lovely essay. Now, whether it's turning out to be lovely or not, ये तो हमें exam में ही पता चलेगा. But the things or the details which have been mentioned about the essay is that the essay should not exceed 250 words. So कुछ भी हो जाए 250 words के आगे हमें नहीं जाना है. We are going to type in our essay. There is no sheet or something given to you. You have to type your essay. You have to select the argument and you have to develop a essay. ऐसा site में भी लिखा हुआ है. So I would request you all to go yourself and read through the PDF. Better होगा, of course. So this video is more concentrated upon just informing you of the thing, because मैंने बहुत लोगों को देखा है who really download the admit card 1 day or 2 day before the examination and just print it and go, and when they'll go it will come up as a surprise. Now something important again to mention here is that will it contain marks, because हमें पता है GK section में we don't get marks, or the marks of the GK is not considered for your selection or your call from the college. Well, that's true. You would not be judged based on your GK or your essay for the calls which are coming. So you won't be able, like, you don't need to worry about that, of course. What you need to worry about is that after, like I mentioned in my short also, that your GK scores are considered when your GDPI, VAT round, everything is being compiled together. For example, out of 100 you are also getting 96 and one of your competitor is also getting 96, but seat sirf ek hai. So in that situation they consider your GK marks also, and the same thing will happen with your essay writing as well. Your essay writing and your GK both will now be considered during your final evaluation for the selection procedure in the college. If at all you qualify the exam and you like having a tie between, like tie with someone else in the the process, the selection process. So ये एक major update है, a huge change change in the syllabus, not syllabus actually, exam pattern. So you need to prepare yourself. Now अलग से कुछ पढ़ने की जरूरत नहीं है. Essay is not something which you need to study or practice or something like that. If you have a reading aptitude, it would definitely be helpful. But if you still don't read, it's okay. The amount of practice you're doing for VARC is more than enough. Trust me, it's more than enough. It's not the time to panic right now. Right now, it's time to just consider this exam as a simple mock. Or actually में mock ही तो है. There is no age limit, right? There's no age limit for this exam. It's not something that ye year this is the last time this exam is happening and this will not happen again. So don't freak out, don't panic. Take this exam as a normal mock and take your mocks as your actual exam. So when you are now planning out to give 2 or 3 mocks in this 1 week interval, don't plan 3, it will be too much. 2 mocks will be more than enough, and spend 1 or 2 day analyzing your mistakes over there. That would be really beneficial for your preparation. And just take a deep breath. Don't don't panic for the change if any stuff. This essay is just to create panic among few people, but you are not going to be one of them, right? And yes, one more thing which has not been mentioned in the admit card, which I need you people to do beforehand only, that is the declaration form. Now see, you are not asked to fill in the declaration form before, okay? They will say that fill it in front of us and all that, but you can at least put the crosses in the symptoms. Okay, where you have the symptoms, just put crosses over there. Fill in the details like your name, your XAT ID. All right, they will also ask you the test center name, so fill in these details. And after filling these details, just keep the sign part empty, so that when they come close to you asking you to sign on the admit card, just make sure that you sign in front of them in the declaration form also. But these things will really help you. Reason behind that is that sometimes they will not inform you to fill it before the exam, and they will start asking you to fill it during the exam, so it will ultimately lead to a 2-3 minutes of loss, which I really don't want you to do. So better you fill it before and be ready. Okay, get it printed, and while getting printed, make sure you print the declaration form also. So 2 pages print karna hai. Keep that in mind. And one more very serious thing, like this is a personal instance I'm going to share with you people, that when they say 9:20 is the time when the gate closes, it actually closes. And they will not give you even, a slight difference of 50 seconds also. They will not consider. They will rather close it at 9:19 also sometimes. And I was myself traumatized by hearing the loud cries and the shouting people outside the center who were just literally shouting. They were shouting so much that, as far as my parents informed me, that the police was even called in that situation. But nothing really changed their mind to let them come in. So make sure that you check your admit card properly. There's a Google map link also to check your test center. So if you're aware of your test center, well and good. But if you're not, then make sure you, tomorrow is Saturday, you can just go and have a ride around and check out your test center where it is actually. And if not reporting time of 8 a.m., at least try to reach before 9 a.m. Okay, because it's really important. And yes, if you reach early also, it's fun looking at people and seeing how nervous they are. Yeah, it's really fun. You would enjoy it if you go and see that people are more nervous than you are, and that's fun. Okay, so it's better to go there and just calm down, feel relaxed in your own place, and give the exam with a focused mind. And yes, one more small thing which I like to mention again, people generally don't pay attention to that. Apart from the COVID protocols, you also see a lot of things mentioned, like metallic instruments, ornaments should be avoided and stuff. I would really ask my pretty ladies out there to avoid all the ornaments possible, and to the boys as well. If you're wearing anything such as a kada or a piercing or something, try to remove that for the time being, just for those 3 hours, so that there's no problem occurring over there, because I have given the exams, okay, in different centers, in different cities as well. And I've seen that the rules are different in different cities and different centers. So you never know you are going to meet with what kind of people. So it's better to avoid all the clash from your end and try to follow whatever they have mentioned as per the admit card details. And I wish you all the best for your exam. This is the time to really sit down and relax and analyze your mocks and your performances so that you can perform the best in your examination. My best wishes are with all of you, and I really hope that you people perform really nice in your examination. So until we meet again, please take care and thanks for watching.